Okay, so let us look at this question. Two identical conducting spheres, each carrying an equal charge q, are placed at a distance r apart. They exert an electrostatic force F on each other. After that, a third identical conducting sphere carrying a charge q by 2 is brought from infinity and is first touched to the first sphere, full stop. It is then touched to the second sphere and finally taken far away. What we have to find out now, what will be the new force between the first two spheres, which are again kept at the same distance r, because we have not disturbed them at all. Only thing is the third body has touched the first as well as the second body. So go through the question nicely so that we can proceed with the solution from the next slide. So let us start from the beginning. So we have got in the initial situation two identical charged bodies. So we have got Q1 that is having a charge Q. We have got Q2 that is equal to charge capital Q again. And the distance between them is equal to R. So as per Coulomb's law of electrostatics, we have got force between these two charges F is equal to K Q square over R square. So we will call this the first equation. Now coming to the third body. Now consider the third body. Third body has got charge Q3, which is equal to Q divided by 2. Now we have to understand main concept, and the concept is when two identical bodies touch, they share charge equally. So this is the concept we have to remember to proceed further. So please go through this one nicely so that we can go to the next step. So step 1. Here, third body having charge Q by 2 touch first body with charge Q. When they touch, total charge is equal to Q plus Q by 2, which is equal to 3Q over 2. After touching, when they separate, comma, the charge on first body is equal to 3Q by 2 divided by 2, which becomes equal to 3q by 4. Also, charge on third body is equal to 3q by 4. So this has to be understood nicely as already covered in the concept. When the two bodies are touching each other, so their charges would become shared equally. So we had the charge q by 2 on the third body, charge q on the first body. When they touch each other, their combined charge is given by q by 2 plus q, or q plus q by 2. And when you add them up properly, you get 3q over 2. Now this particular charge has to get divided in two equal parts. For that, you got to divide this by 2, which is shown here. And charge on each one of them would be 3q by 4, 3q by 4. So the main point that we have to understand, that after third body touches the first one and leaves the first body, then the charge on the first body is 3q by 2, 3q by 4, I'm sorry. Is that clear? Now third body also has got the same charge now, which is 3q by 4. Now it goes to touch the second body, which has got the charge q. So we are going to discuss that in the next slide. New charge on third body. It is 3q over 4. And charge on second body, that is equal to q. Now, when these two bodies are touched with each other, the total charge is equal to 3q over 4 plus q, which on addition gives us 7q over 4. Therefore, when these bodies are separated, then the charge on both these bodies individually is equal to 7q over 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 7q over 8. Therefore, new charge on second body is equal to 7q over 8. Okay, so new charge on the first body, as we have already calculated, is 3q over 4, and the new charge on the second body is 7q by 8. Now, in the new situation, what will be the force between them when the distance remains the same? So, the value of the force, new value of the force, in fact, would be, let us call it F prime. It will be K 3q over 4, 7q over 8 divided by r square, because the distance has remained the same. Now, this can be written as K q square over r square, and pull the fraction on the front. We got 3 over 4 and 7 over 8. Finally, we get F prime is equal to 21 over 32 times K q square over r square. Call it the second equation. Now comparing the first equation, you can see kq square over r square can be written as F. So obviously, in place of kq square over r square over here, we can replace F. So we get F prime is equal to 21 over 32 times F. This is our final answer. So go through the video once again if needed, then you should be good for these kind of questions. In the next video also, I'll do the same kind of question in which the third body I will keep with the negative charge.